Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Smitha. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you my routine on how I've been successful in controlling hair loss and also have lustrous, long, healthy, beautiful hair. So if you're ready, let's begin. The first thing that you'll need is coconut oil. You can also use olive oil as a substitute. I use this one from Butcher Boy because it's just easily accessible and it's unrefined and it's extra virgin as well as organic. I have several different favorites which I've listed in the description box below. There's several different benefits that coconut oil adds to your hair. It has the power to make your hair grow longer, thicker and healthier. It helps to remove the sebum buildup in the hair follicles, which helps to speed up the hair growth. It helps to control and fix your frizz, especially when you rub it in your split ends as well as if you have dry, damaged hair. It most definitely helps to boost shine in your hair, but one tip here is to use it light-handedly so your hair doesn't look too oily. If you didn't know, coconut oil is a natural SPF, so it plays a big part in protecting your hair from all that sun damage. I usually use about 3 teaspoons full of coconut oil. Depending on your hair length, you can take as much or as little as you want. I'm going to lightly whisk it with the spoon so it's easier to apply it on my hair. With this, you'll also need an onion. Red onions are more effective than white onions or yellow onions. Onions are known to be high in sulfur, which help to reduce breakage and thinning of hair. They also help to nourish your hair follicles and replenish the nutrients that you've lost from your scalp. They have natural and powerful antioxidants and they help to battle premature graying of hair. Over a period of time, they add a beautiful shine to your hair. They have antibacterial and antifungal properties that help to prevent and treat scalp infections. And because they have that pungent smell, they drive away lice, so they are an excellent lice treatment. It helps with dandruff when you use it once a week. And the onion juice also helps with blood circulation in the scalp, which helps to promote hair growth. I do this routine every Sunday, so once a week. I cut the tail end of the onion. All you need is a small piece. And I cut the tail end because it's very easy to hold the onion. And I let this sit for about 10 minutes before I use it. And as you can see, that milky substance that's oozing out of the onion is the onion juice. And that is what is required to nourish your scalp and help to promote hair growth. I'm going to then just place it in the coconut oil and get ready for the hair treatment. Make sure you're wearing something old and comfy because if the oil drips on your t-shirt or whatever you're wearing, it is going to stain and it's very difficult to get rid of that stain. And also make sure to remove any jewelry. And then I'm going to lightly brush it with a wooden hairbrush. If you didn't know, wooden hairbrushes improve your blood circulation. It brings back the essential nutrients in your hair follicles and stimulates it, which in turn helps with hair growth. I love this brush and I bought it from Amazon and I've linked it in the description box below. Make sure you have a mirror in front of you. It's just easier to apply the oil. And I use a ragtail comb to section out my hair. You can also use your fingers. I start with my scalp. I take the onion that's dipped in the coconut oil. I gently press it on my scalp and then slowly massage it. I go all the way from the top of my forehead to the hairline in the back. And I do this in small sections. So I take the ragtail comb, section out my hair into another small section, and again massage this gently onto the scalp, going all the way from the front to the back. Now there definitely is another way to do this. You can extract the onion juice, mix it with the oil and use it. I used to do that before, but it was too cumbersome for me and it's a process. And because I'm using this as an instrument to massage my scalp, it helps with blood circulation, which in turn helps with hair growth. And also when you use onion juice, it can be very pungent and your hair can smell even after you wash your hair. But with this, the smell isn't much, and when you wash your hair off, the smell is completely gone. But again, make sure to cut off the tail end of the onion. As you can see, it's so much more easier to hold it and massage it into your scalp. And because of the heat in your body, the juice from the onion is continuously released. So as and when you dip it in the coconut oil, it combines with the coconut oil to give you all the nourishment that you need for your hair. And if you're too lazy to cut a piece of onion and dip it in the coconut oil and use it, you also get onion oil readily in the market which you can use on your hair. Because I'm pressing the onion on my scalp and also going in circular motion, massaging my scalp, the sulfur in the onion is getting deposited deep within my scalp. Now that is what is required to help support strong and thick hair and prevent hair loss and balding. And again, massaging the scalp like this helps to boost blood circulation, which in turn again helps to grow your hair. Once I'm done with the scalp, I also use it in my ends because I want to control that frizz, and then I end up saturating my entire hair. And that'll also boost the shine of your hair. And then I give my hair one last massage for about 7 to 10 minutes. As you can see, my hair is completely saturated. And then I cover my hair with a shower cap or a plastic bag, whatever is available at that point in time. That'll help to conserve the heat in your hair, which will help to release the nutrients faster into your scalp. I keep it on for about 1 hour. And then I wash my hair off with a mild shampoo and conditioner. Sometimes I also use soap nut powder. I've listed everything that I use in the description box right below this video. And this is how my hair looks. As you can see, it's added a lot of shine to my hair. I do take good care of my hair health. I use my henna pack and I use this hair oil regularly. I also use a hair mask, and that video is also coming up. Just like skincare takes effort, hair care also takes effort. Just like you apply masks on your face, you also need it for your hair. It's only when you put in that effort that you can see the results. Try this for a month and I promise you'll see a huge difference in your hair texture and hair health. I hope you enjoyed this video, and thank you for all your lovely messages. I know you're enjoying my DIY videos and I'll try to post as much as possible. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays. For your convenience, I've listed all the products that I've used in the description box right below this video. And you'll also find my socials there. So you might as well follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.